Oops, we're having a blizzard. And all our little birdie friends have come to join us. Come on, little sparrows. Oh, there's a chick. Our Christmas tree will go out thereafter. There's a chickadee. Hello, little chickadee. Oh, the storm. Gotta fix that flag. Whoop, there he is. Oh, drive-by. Look at the tracks. We're making tracks, and the snow's filling it in just as quickly. What's that, Nana? What's out there, Nana? What's that, Nana? Huh? Never seen those before, have you? Go get that. You gonna get that birdie. There you go, chickadee-dee-dee-dee. That's what they do. You love them when they come to you in the woods. These are hungry birds, not angry birds. What's your song? What you doing? We go inside? We going inside? What's the matter, girls? Oh, we gonna go inside? So you gonna sing for me? John, we'll go inside and go bye-bye. Huh? We'll go bye-bye. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Someone go inside. Says, oh, go inside. I'm excited. Yeah. Brandy wants to go outside. Billy, want to go outside? Yeah, that tail's going. There he is. There he is. Hey, Anna, we think you want to go outside. Okay, let's go see what it's all about. This will be Anna's first deep snow. Come on, be polite. Thank you. You ready? Ready? Oh my gosh! Drifted against the door. Oh, there she goes. Bark, 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 bark. Oh, there we go. That's what we call a storm. I'm in my husband's hunting boots. These are the most appropriate. Whew. Brandy, you liking this, huh? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's see how far you can go. Everybody will get on Billy's back and ride. Yana! Come on, girls, get wet and we can go in and dry you up. Good job, Bill. Good job. Look at Billy! Billy, you're a little bit wet. Woo! Yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah! Billy adores the snow. Always has. You're making a spot for you to play in, huh? What happens if I walk more? You gonna walk with me? Oh, there goes George. He says, sure, I will. Mr. Bill! Mr. Bill! Yanni! Yanni, that doesn't work. Come here. Oh, look at him go. Good boy, Bill! Good boy, Bill! Who's this? Who's this? Song? Song? Wait, we got a cleanup job to do. They weren't kidding. Woo! Snow's a little wet, guys. He's going to whoop your butt. You can't. Yep, Billy's going to be 5 years old in a couple of weeks. Doing darn good he is. Children. I think Song's had enough. Song. She says, I think I'm ready to go in, Mom. I think so. Wow. Come on, John. Come on. Come on, Bill. Let's head. Yes, yep, Mom's coming. We're going in the house. Come on, kids. Come on. Boy, Billy's making tracks. Yeah, you can stand that, huh, Bill? Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl, what happened? It's another little girl. Come on. Brandy, she's in her glory. Brandy lives for this. That old girl, she's gonna be 9 a few months. The little girl. Ready to go in? I think I might have to shovel a spot. Oh my. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Huh? Well, good kids. Look at Ayana helping Bill. She's helping him get the snow off. Yeah. Good girl, Nana. Gonna go help Song now? Oh, helping the Song? I got some brushing and drying to do. Woo-hoo. Ah, but they had a good time. Kids' first big snow for the year. December 27th, 2012. Ayana didn't get enough stink out before coming in, huh, Nana? Hi, Nana. Nana. You're such a good kid. Billy, what happened, honey? Did you get a little snow on you, sweetheart? Did you get a little snow on you? Huh? Doing a good job. What a good boy. You see, I think Brandy's taking a bath too. Why, she is. Up. Brandy, got your cheese? And you knocked some garland off the tree. Song. Song. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. What happened? Huh? What happened, sweet baby? Is that a little more snow than you were bargaining for, honey? Hey, didn't we see you? Hey, you. Hey, you. What happened? Oh, my goodness. You look like you muscled a mile long. We did you just yesterday, didn't we? We gotta do you all over again. Yeah, we got blow dry you. Yeah. Be a good girl. Are you looking up at this? You looking to see what it is? Look at that song. What's that? What's that, huh? Such a good girl. Such a good girl. I'm such a good girl. Yes, I am. Are you looking at my mommy? I'm looking at my mommy. Smell it? Want to see what it is? Check it out. Check it out. What is it? Huh? What is it? What is it, son? Rihanna.